Okay, now let's begin. What is the meaning of pronoun? Raise your hand only. Only raise your hand. What is pronoun? Jasmine, then Karthik. Again, beta. Exactly. Same. Any examples? Any example, please? He, okay, he or okay. I. He's gone, Karen, please tell me. His is a pronoun. Be confident. Yes, it is pronoun. Possessive pronoun. This is pronoun. Raise your hand. How many of you say that this is a pronoun? Raise your hand, please. And how many of you think that this is not a pronoun? Okay. So, Chehek, why do you think that this is not a pronoun? This is adjective because my notebook, whenever noun is written after it, it is always adjective. So those who were saying that this is not a pronoun, they are right. Okay, this is not a pronoun. Similarly, is this a pronoun? Is this a pronoun? Speak one sentence using our. Speak one sentence, anyone. Okay, our house. So house is noun. So this is your adjective. Whenever noun is written after any word, so that is adjective only. Okay. Now last one is there. Make one sentence. Karthik, make one sentence using there. Their car is very beautiful. Again, car is the noun. So this is adjective. Okay. Yes, beta. हाँ, अगर ये होता the car is ours, then it is pronoun. हाँ, ये pronoun. So pronoun is a word that sit down please, that replaces a noun. बैठ जाओ बेटा. So now one by one, please tell me the pronoun in place of this noun. Duster. जल्दी से बेटा. In place of it, okay, it. Devang. This. He. Okay. Tanvi. राघव. विषम ने बोला है. Okay. Tanvi and Sonam. Tanvi and Sonam. They. Okay. I, Tanvi and Sonam. I word आ रहा है. I. We. Exactly. Benches are. Benches. I think I was wrong. मुझे लग रहा था आपको पहले ही आता है ये. Charts. जल्दी से बेटा please. Okay, now write down the kinds in your rough notebook. There are some kinds of pronouns. So first kind is personal pronoun. First kind is personal pronoun. So the words like I, so they are included in personal pronouns. Now this is having further three kinds. First is, you are not able to see. माधव इस साइड होके देखो, चेक देन सी आपको दिखता है. बैग नीचे बेटा. Okay, fine. It is having three further kinds. First is first person, second person, and third person. Now, if I am talking to you, who's the first person here? I. Suppose we all are talking, then who's the first person? We. I will become me also, and we, us. So these four words are first person. Now I'm talking to you. Who's the listener here? You. So second person is you. Now, if we are talking about some students who are absent today, then they are the third person. He, him, her, them, and it also. So this is your personal pronoun. It is used in place of any person, animal, or thing. It is having three types. First person, four words are included. Second person and third person. Still, if you want to paste or staple one pin page in your grammar book, just for quick revision during exam, you can note down if you want. Now I'm moving to second type. After three types, we'll revise all three types again. I'll ask you sentences and you will pick out pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun. As you know, there are four words only in demonstrative. Yes. And please write down verb here so that you can remember that this plus verb should be there. This plus verb, that, these, those, verb should be there. This is my house, then it is pronoun. This house is mine, then it will become adjective. So verb should be there in demonstrative pronoun. This is obvious that these are used with singular and they are used with plural. Third type, is there anyone जिसको आती है type 6th class में हमने की थी? Yes. What is the meaning of the word possessive? Possession क्या होता है? Anyone? Hargunpreet. Possession. What is the normal English meaning of the word possession? Okay, anyone else? Adgun? Okay, I need one word actually that explains the word possessive. Jasmine. Ipsa. Possessive means ma'am. Anyone? Arman? Ownership, when you own something, कोई आपकी चीज हो, ठीक है? Sit down, please. Yourself. You are the owner of yourself. When something belongs to you, that is called possessive pronoun. Now in this class, you people are sitting, which thing is yours actually? You own that thing. Your school bag, yes, yes. Whose bag is this? So these are the possessive pronouns, mine, yours, I'm writing here, all the types. Except mine, it is having S in the ending. Except mine. Yes, beta. Which is left then? His, her. Its is always adjective, beta. It's not a pronoun. Never. It is adjective always. Yeah? Mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, her, hers. Please stop talking, beta. Now revise 3 types. Now I'm going to ask you questions. 3 types, beta. Any doubt, beta? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. I just want to tell that in our class, Lavani 4th C18 roll number is there.
4th C. Beta, please unmute yourself. 4th C, roll number 18.
Yes, ma'am, I am Lavni.
Bache, you have second period, not first one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you can join your class accordingly.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा. No. No need, beta. No need to write. Jason, what happened? If you think that any personal pronoun is there, you will tell me further type of personal pronoun also. Sayapreet. Yours possessive pronoun. Any other? Amarjot. Amarjot. Personal, which personal? Third person. Anything else? Raghav, anything else? What is written after my? This is a noun, beta. This is not a pronoun, adjective. Yes. Let me mute myself so that I can ask online students later. Gorish, tell me answer, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, these are these demonstrative pronoun and who interrogative pronoun.
Beta, no, there is no question mark here, so it can't be interrogative.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Who relative pronoun? Sorry. Who relative pronoun?
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Demonstrative pronoun. And this is not a demonstrative pronoun, this is adjective. Now next one. एक एक करके ओके शी पर्सनल पर्सनल की फर्दर टाइप अब जिनको टर्न नहीं मिल रही दे जस्ट नाउ दे आर गिविंग कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्स वेरी बैड एवरीवन विल गेट टर्न प्लीज वन बाय वन Arman second one there are 3 pronouns one by one second Raghav now is it clear beta 3 types clear now Sonam clear okay now fourth type now listen please everyone reflexive relative pronoun they come generally at the center and they connect the noun with other type of the sentence for example so it generally comes at the center and it will connect the noun with other part of the sentence ये connector का काम करेगा now with human beings we use generally 2 type of pronouns बेटा whose दोनों के साथ यूज होगा. Never use that with human beings. Never. The boy that is crying, no. The boy who's crying. And there is one common word, that is whose. That comes with this one also, this one also. This is a common word. But it will come at center. It will connect two sentences, two words. If you are pointing someone, you will say that is a bright star. It will come in at the beginning. If you will say that the horse that is injured, it will come at center. Is it clear, everyone? हाँ जी बेटा. हाँ जी बेटा. Third sentence, I think I gave. Okay. So relative pronoun, they generally comes in the middle. They connect the noun. ये noun के साथ होते हैं, and they connect the noun with other part of the sentence. They work like connector. Now next type. Interrogative, as you know that, I think this is the easiest type. Question mark is there. But every question mark doesn't mean that it's always interrogative. I'll give you one exception also. First of all, who plus verb, this is your interrogative. Who is your best friend? What is your name? This is it. There should be a verb after it. There should be a verb after this. See this, who's your best friend? Now these are two interrogative sentences. First one is who is. There is verb after who. This is your pronoun. What is written after this? Whose. This is a noun. Now don't see this question mark and simply write this thing as pronoun. No. Question mark doesn't mean always that this is pronoun. Here this is pronoun demonstrated. It's not a pronoun. There must be a verb after the question word. अगर कोई भी noun आया, it will not become any pronoun. You can ask your doubt if you have, please.
Ma'am, I am having doubt that मैम अगर हमें एग्जाम में आया चूज प्रोनाउन मैम अगर उसमें से कोई पर्सनल प्रोनाउन हुआ तो हम उसकी टाइप्स लिखेंगे जैसे कि ये फर्स्ट पर्सनल है ये सेकंड है.
In 7th you will write better. Okay, you will write the
Okay,
further
ma'am.
type. और रिलेटिव बन जाएगा बेटा. Now it is coming at the center. There is no question mark. So this is relative. We are on which type? Sixth one. So I have to explain you reflexive and emphatic, sorry, but it will take time and we have only 2 minutes left. So we'll do on Monday. We'll do it on Monday. Should I ask you question now from 5 types? Get on Monday. Which one? Are you sure? Okay. Sarang, please, beta. This is interrogative, beta. Okay, next. Not like that. Raise your hand. ऐसे क्या हो जाएगा? गूगल पे मैं एक म्यूजिक भी प्ले कर देती हूँ. किसकी टर्न नहीं आया यार? ज्योतिन. पहले इसमें एक और बताओ. One more pronoun in first one. Okay. You got turn. You got turn. टर्न आई थी आपकी. और कोई है? He will tell, please. Is there any another pronoun here? और कोई बड़ा है इसमें? What is written after this? Take care, beta. I'll meet you on Monday now.